There's a lot of improvement from these three camps. You can see today we have our physical day. It's been tough, the weather, and then some of the boys are really struggling in our fitness, and that's why we're having another 3 more weeks camp before our first game. It's one of the key areas we're working on, making some good tackles rather than giving penalties away, which is common with our local boys. There's a weakness in tackling the opposition, but that's one of the areas that we're working on, and you can see it was tough. And that's one of the emphasis for the preparation, is to work on our defense. Yes, we do that on our first day when we came into camp on Wednesday. I did a presentation on what we expect for the season, and discipline is one of the areas in and out of the field, and they know that, they understand that, and we'll see how it goes when we start the competition. 2 places, Tevita and Tigurutuma. So they're flying in the weekend, and they'll match in next week when we camp in Nandi. He's going to be our number 10, and Caleb Muntz will be his backup. They bring depth to the Warriors, and the reason why Chuto is in the Warriors is because he needs to be capped. So he hasn't been capped. So they will play 3 games with the Warriors, and they will miss out in our first round. So they will match in our second round. It's Chuta and Chris Mirimbi, and those are the players that need to be kept. That's why they're with us here, because they will be contracted for us, but they will need to be with the Warriors for the BRC. It's a lot of showcase the talent, and we've got a lot of young players in the team. As you can see, there are a lot of new players, and some of the players who've been with me for the past 3 or 5 years, they've missed out. So this is a new beginning of looking for training them so that they can be well prepared when it comes to 2023. We need to train professionally, and this is a very professional team, Western Force, and it's always hard to play against them. In the past years that we've been playing against Western Force in the NRC, it's been tougher, and then they have a good setup, and it's going to be tough again for us this year. But we just need to prepare well. And mentally and physically and spiritually, and then be ready to lift up our game when we play against the Western Force. At the moment, it's a big learning for all the players that are coming up from the Skipper Cup. It's a different environment altogether. The way we coach, the way what we do in the team, it's really different from the Skipper, how they've been trained professional in the province. So it's a big learning, and we just have to be patient with these boys. We've got 3 weeks to prepare, and I think after the 3 weeks we can say to ourselves that we've managed for these players to understand what we're doing here.